nice waking up to this view this morning.
Good morning.
Hello. Hello. Good morning. You okay?
Good morning.
It's a doggy playground, isn't it? They walk themselves there.
Oh, it's beautiful here. One of my favourite things is waking up and walking on the beach.
Oh, there's no better place for that than here. I probably should have.
Yeah, apart from when you fall in a crab hole.
Savage dog pack.
Hello. 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 Hi, what's your name? Hello. Oh. Hello, everybody. Hello. What's your name?
Oh, he's a gal, isn't he?
Oh. Hi. Be nice. They're all so cute. It's so cute that they're all just out here playing together in the morning.
This guy's very friendly.
Milo.
We are literally fresh out of bed. Thought we'd come onto the
Look.
beach. So nice. I mean, it's your heaven. Tiff loves dogs.
This is incredible. We're just like on the beach in the morning and there's dogs everywhere.
So today our plan is to go to the other falls here on Siquijor. I think there's probably quite a few waterfalls, but I think there's two main ones. So we're going to go to the other one. Yeah, should be a nice day.
You said there was 13 waterfalls.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. We got like 13 waterfalls right here. Then we call it like Zodiac Falls right here.
Oh, whoa.
But like Lubnason Falls is the main one. This is the big one that you can jump in, swim in, do the rock swing, rock climbing.
Are we at the top?
We are here.
Oh.
Yeah, the
nice.
parking area. And to go here in the waterfalls is like 3 to 4 minutes walk. And if you want like adventure,
walk the whole
we
way
can
up.
do like trekking like around 30 minutes more or less.
Oh, wow.
Depends. Yeah. Because it's just like a small one, but like it's like good for taking pictures there. Yeah.
Nice.
Not for
Oh.
jumping right here on the side, but they have like some place that you can swim in, do the massage with the water.
Ah.
Like that, yeah. And here, and we have also like a spring.
Oh,
So
cool.
you got like a man-made spring right there, like a fresh water that you can
Wow.
swim in also.
Oh,
we-
is that the big concrete?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, we thought it was just this one, the Lugnas. Is it like
Lugnason Falls?
Lugnason
Yeah.
Falls? Yeah, we thought it was just that. We didn't know that there was.
Yeah, the Zodiac Falls.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, if you want like adventure.
It's just started raining again.
My shoes are a bit slippery there.
Yeah. It's not exactly a. Oh gosh. Okay, this rock's really slippery. Be careful. I think I can hear it.
Was that just the rain?
No, surely not.
To do with witchcraft.
Jeebie jeebies.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely not alive. I don't know what it is.
Okay, that's a very scary looking thing.
They've got like psychedelic things as well. Look at those mushrooms on that poster. The guy at the bottom has found another group and he's taken like hundreds of pictures of these guys. He's really hooking them up. Refreshing. Okay, that's the second time I've almost just like slipped in. Philippines, yeah.
Like normally I'm all about the ocean, but this...
Same. They're like man-made swimming pools, pretty much.
Yeah, it's unreal.
You got some breakfast? Woo.
There's actually a rope swing up there, but it's a little bit shallow, I think, at the moment. So probably won't risk it.
He's teasing us.
That was amazing. That was awesome. If you are in Siquijor, don't just go to the main waterfall. Go to the main waterfall, but don't just go there. Go here too. It's so cool.
So sick, isn't it?
Yeah. And get a guide. These guys really like, they're lovely.
Yeah, they took like 100 pictures for the other guys that were here earlier.
Yeah, they'll help you with everything. I have to be honest, I actually think coming to a waterfall when it's raining is like
good, isn't it?
Yeah, a really beautiful kind of fun. Like the rainforest looks so lush. And...
No! This guy's got a spider.
Me.
If he's not friendly, he bite me.
Okay, I don't want to hold it.
Whoa.
Oh!
This is the real tattoo, shadow tattoo.
Oh.
Okay, go back to your home.
I guess it's
We don't have spiders like that in England. In England they're like this big.
So it's, yeah,
So
very small.
Scary.
It's not poisonous.
They're poisonous?
No, no.
Oh, they're not? Oh, okay.
That's why I'm home.
See you later.
Those guys just told us we have to pay them for parking, but they said the way it works here is basically they just like show people around and you can pay them whatever you want. Right side of the road.
Right side of the road, right side of the road.
Every time we get onto the road here we have to say right side of the road.
Or I forget. I've done it so many times.
Yeah. Oh my god. Wow.
What a sunset. The mountains over there as well.
What's your impression of
Siquijor. I love it.
Yeah.
It's like super rugged. When we first got here I was a bit like, what the hell is this place? I didn't know what to make of it. But now I think it's so beautiful.
I think Siquijor's definitely made it up there for us on our list of
Favourite islands.
favourite islands, yeah.
Thank you.
Wow.
That looks good. So what's this called?
Pancit canton.
Say that again.
Pancit canton.
Pancit canton.
Yeah. So a lot of people have told us that in the Philippines they like to eat rice with noodles. So that's what we're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wow, I'm really excited for this.
So you got to take some rice and some noodles. Okay. That's really tasty.
Rice and noodles, good combo.
Yeah.
I like this a lot.
Same. Rice and noodles go very well together. Filipinos are doing it right. You say, have you tried the sausage?
Yeah, it's really like sweet. I don't know how to explain it. It reminds me of something. I can't put my finger on it.
Yeah, same. Barbecue, wonton, pork, noodles.
Let me try that one.
But
It
it
tastes
is.
like char siu pork.
Yeah, that's it, char siu pork.
Mm.
That's mad. It looks nothing like char siu pork, but it tastes like it.
For some reason it does. It just tastes like it.
These fishbowl things are good too. Yeah.
I'm trying to get all these vegetables because
It's been a while.
it's been a while.
So it's 480 pesos.
Yeah.
Okay. What's that in pounds?
Like £7, £6.
We're gonna see on the screen whether or not you're right. Is that it?
Yeah.
Really? It's quite a lot of food and a
It's
couple
lot
of beers.
food. Yeah.
Not bad.
They even gave us water at the end.
Yeah. How nice of them. It's been a pretty fun day. But I think it's time to say goodbye to the people on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button to follow our journey. We're in the Philippines for what, 30 days? 30 days. Yes. Peace. Thanks for watching.
Oh, what? I'm just kidding. If you're here in Philippines, try and find these. They're only 6 pesos. Sorry, I have hiccups. It's 3-in-1 coffee with gula melaka. So, and they are something else. They're so delicious.